OSINT and Bug Bounty tools are essential pillars in the realm of information gathering and security testing. By mastering these, you'll gain a deeper understanding of how attackers gather intelligence and how you can leverage the same techniques for defensive purposes. This segment will introduce you to a variety of OSINT tools, helping you understand their functionality and practical applications within bug bounty programs. We'll also explore real-world scenarios where these tools have been effectively employed, shedding light on common practices within the security community. On this slide, we're going to dive into an overview of the course on OSINT and Bug Bounty tools. First, we'll explore the landscape of OSINT tools to help you get a comprehensive understanding of what's available and how to leverage them. We'll cover their practical application in bug bounty programs, showing you how these tools can be effectively used to identify vulnerabilities. Additionally, we'll walk through various real-world scenarios and common practices that professionals use in the field. This foundation will be key as we move forward and discuss why acquiring these skills is critical for anyone involved in cybersecurity and vulnerability assessments. Understanding the importance and relevance of OSINT and bug bounty tools is paramount. By mastering these tools, you significantly enhance your cybersecurity skills, which are critical in today's digital landscape. These skills allow you to perform comprehensive and effective vulnerability assessments, which are essential for identifying and mitigating security issues. Furthermore, proficiency in these tools directly improves your chances of success in bug bounty programs by equipping you with the techniques and strategies necessary to discover and report vulnerabilities efficiently. Let's delve into the tool Maltego and its significance in OSINT, open source intelligence. Maltego is designed for analysis and link visualization, making it an indispensable tool for OSINT professionals. One of its standout features is its graph-based data representation, which allows users to see relationships between various pieces of information in a visual format. This is particularly useful when dealing with complex data sets and looking for hidden connections. Maltego also boasts extensive data integrations, enabling users to pull information from a multitude of sources seamlessly. This helps in creating comprehensive data profiles and enriching the analysis. Another valuable feature is customizable transforms. Transforms are essentially functions that fetch related data from different sources. This flexibility allows you to mold the tool to suit specific investigative needs. To start using Maltego, you can simply execute the command Maltego. After launching the tool, you can create a new graph to begin your analysis by visualizing the data and connections. Essentially, Maltego equips you with robust capabilities for thorough and effective OSINT activities, enhancing your cybersecurity skills and increasing your success rates in bug bounty hunting. Let's dive into Recon-ng, a robust modular framework designed specifically for information gathering. Purpose. Recon-ng is purpose-built to facilitate comprehensive information gathering through its modular framework. Key features. 1. Modules for automation. Recon-ng utilizes modules which enable automated tasks, streamlining the information gathering process. 2. CLI-based operations. The tool operates through a command line interface, providing flexibility and control to execute various commands efficiently. 3. Database integration for data storage. It integrates with databases, allowing you to store and manage gathered data effectively. Commands example. Initialize Recon-ng. To start using Recon-ng, simply type the command shell Recon-ng. Add an API key. To integrate external data sources, you might need to add API keys. For example, to add a Shodan API key, use shell keys add Shodan API insert key. Recon-ng's modularity and powerful CLI tools make it an essential asset for effective information gathering and OSINT operations. Let's dive into SpiderFoot, an automated tool designed for information gathering from various sources. SpiderFoot is particularly user-friendly due to its web-based interface, making it accessible even for those who may not be comfortable with command line operations. One of SpiderFoot's standout features is its extensive range of data sources. This allows for highly configurable scans, enabling you to gather detailed intelligence tailored to your specific needs. To get started with SpiderFoot, you can launch the server by using the command sudo python 3 spiderfoot.py-l127.0.1.5001. Once the server is running, you can initiate a scan with the following command: python 3 sfcle.py scans target. This straightforward setup makes SpiderFoot a powerful yet easy-to-use option for automated data gathering, integrating seamlessly into your broader reconnaissance strategy. Now, let's dive into Shodan. Shodan is a powerful search engine specifically targeted at discovering internet-connected devices. It allows researchers and security professionals to search for potentially vulnerable devices and track various elements across the internet landscape. One standout feature of Shodan is its ability to perform automated searches through its API, making it a versatile tool for ongoing security assessments. For practical usage, you can search for Internet of Things, IoT devices, using a simple command like Shodan search default password, which will identify devices that might be using insecure default credentials. Additionally, to obtain detailed information about a specific IP, you can use the command Shodan host 192.168.11. These functionalities give you a broad yet precise view of device vulnerabilities and overall internet security metrics. The Harvester is a powerful tool designed for gathering a variety of data, such as emails and subdomains. It supports multiple data sources and offers a straightforward command line interface. Unlike more invasive tools, the Harvester is particularly focused on passive information gathering, making it invaluable for preliminary reconnaissance. For example, to run an email search targeting a specific domain, you can use the command theharvester-dexample.com-b Google. This command tells the Harvester to search for email addresses associated with example.com using Google as the data source. Similarly, if you need to gather subdomain information, you can use the command theharvester-dexample.com-l500-b Bing. This command specifies a search for subdomains of example.com, limits the number of results to 500, and uses Bing as the data source. With these commands, the Harvester provides an efficient way to collect essential information on target domains, assisting in the initial stages of cybersecurity tasks. Continuing from the previous slide, where we discussed tools for gathering emails, subdomains, and other data, we now move on to tools for managing proxies and cookies. In this slide, we focus on Foxy Proxy, a browser extension designed to simplify proxy management. Purpose: Foxy Proxy enhances your browsing experience by making it easy to switch between different proxies. Key features: easy proxy switching. You can toggle between proxies seamlessly without manual configuration each time. Supports multiple proxies. Manage various proxies and switch between them as needed. Customizable rules. Create rules to determine which proxy to use based on specific URLs or patterns. Example usage: go to Foxy Proxy settings to configure a new proxy. Switch between configured proxies using the extension's interface to see the difference in browsing experience or to access geo-blocked content. This tool is particularly valuable for scenarios where you need multiple browsing contexts or need to circumvent network restrictions easily. The current slide is focused on the Cookie Editor tool. This is an essential tool for anyone who needs to view, edit, and manage browser cookies efficiently. One of its primary purposes is to give you the capability to handle cookies in real time, making it especially useful for testing and debugging web applications. Key features of Cookie Editor include the ability to edit cookies as you browse, import and export cookies for varied use cases, and ensure secure cookie management processes. For example, you can use this extension to view cookies for a specific website, and by editing the cookie values, you can test for potential vulnerabilities within the application, making it a powerful tool for security assessments and development workflows. The Cookie Editor is an invaluable asset for developers and security professionals alike, offering a straightforward interface to manipulate cookies while maintaining robust security protocols. The current slide introduces application identification and analysis tools with a focus on Wapalizer. Wapalizer is a browser extension designed to identify the technologies used on websites. Its primary purpose is to detect content management systems, CMS, frameworks, and libraries that a site is utilizing. Key features of Wapalizer include identifying various components like CMS, frameworks, and libraries, showing server information and providing insights on the range of technologies a site is using. For example, after installing the Wapalizer extension, you can visit any website to see a detailed list of the technologies deployed on that site. This can be particularly useful for developers, security professionals, and anyone interested in understanding the technical stack of a website. Thank you for your attention. WhatCMS is a powerful tool that focuses on identifying the content management system, or CMS, that a website is using. Its primary purpose is to detect which CMS a given website is built with, making it highly valuable for web developers, security analysts, and digital marketers. Some key features of WhatCMS include its highly accurate CMS detection capabilities, support for a wide range of CMSs, and the ability to quickly identify the CMS in use. This makes it an efficient and reliable tool for analyzing websites. For example, if you want to identify the CMS of a specific website, you can use the command whatcms uhtut example.com. With this command, WhatCMS will analyze the specified website and return information about the CMS it's using. This tool is essential for gaining deeper insights into the underlying technologies of websites you're interested in. Now let's discuss WFuzz. This is a powerful fuzzing tool designed specifically for discovering hidden resources and sensitive data within web applications. One of the standout features of WFuzz is its ability to utilize customizable payloads. This allows users to tailor their fuzzing attempts to the specific parameters and structure of the target system. Additionally, WFuzz supports recursive fuzzing, which means it can delve deeper into directories and subdirectories automatically, increasing the chances of finding hidden vulnerabilities or resources. Another advantage of WFuzz is its command line interface, providing users with flexible options to adjust and fine-tune their scans. This makes it a versatile tool for penetration testers and security researchers. To give you an example of how to use WFuzz, for a basic directory brute force, you can use the following command: wfuzz-cz file path/wordlist timeo/example.com/fuzz. This command will brute force directories on the target website using a specified word list. You can also fuzz post parameters, adapting your attack to various web application inputs. Overall, WFuzz is an invaluable tool for anyone looking to thoroughly investigate the hidden aspects of web applications. On this slide, we introduce Direbuster, a graphical application designed for brute forcing directories and files on web servers. Direbuster stands out for its user-friendly GUI, making it an excellent choice for those who prefer graphical interfaces over command line tools. Key features of Direbuster include support for extensive word lists and the ability to generate detailed reports, which are essential for thorough web application assessments. To use Direbuster, simply start the application, input your target URL, configure the desired word list, and begin the scan. This ease of use, combined with its powerful features, makes Direbuster a valuable tool for discovering hidden resources on web servers. NocPy is a powerful subdomain enumeration tool. Its primary purpose is to discover subdomains of a given domain using word lists. One of its standout features is its speed in identifying subdomains, making it efficient for fast discovery sessions. NocPy also supports custom word lists, allowing for flexible and tailored searches based on specific needs. For example, to run a basic subdomain enumeration, you would use the command bash nocpyexample.com. If you want to use a custom word list for the search, NocPy makes it easy to integrate with your specific requirements, ensuring you get the most comprehensive results. This makes NocPy a versatile and effective tool for cybersecurity professionals focusing on web server security assessments. Purpose: Sublist3er is a tool designed to list subdomains for websites by leveraging search engines and other sources. It helps in gathering comprehensive information about subdomains, which is essential for security assessments and reconnaissance activities. Key features: firstly, it aggregates data from multiple sources, providing a wide range of results. This means it's not relying on a single search engine, but multiple, ensuring thorough coverage. Secondly, it supports various search engines, enhancing its robustness and reliability. Lastly, it provides detailed output, which is crucial for deeper analysis and reporting. Commands example: to perform a basic subdomain search, you can use the following command: sublist3r to dexample.com. If you want to save the results to a file for later analysis or review, you can easily do so by using the appropriate flag to direct the output to a desired file location. This feature is particularly useful for documentation and further processing in other security tools. The current slide introduces you to SecLists, an essential resource for anyone involved in cybersecurity and penetration testing. Purpose: SecLists is a comprehensive collection of various useful lists that are crucial for security purposes. Key features: 1. Variety of lists. This repository includes usernames, passwords, URLs, and payloads. 2. Regular updates. The lists are regularly updated to ensure you have the latest and most relevant information. 3. Extensive collection. It offers a vast and extensive list collection that can support multiple security operations. Example usage. To make the most of these lists, you can access the SecLists repository on GitHub. These lists can be integrated into various security tools to enhance their functionality. For example, you can use them for brute forcing with tools like Hydra or WFuzz. SecLists provides a vital repository for any security professional aiming to bolster their information gathering and attack strategy. Scrappy is an open-source framework designed for web data mining. It offers a robust and highly customizable platform for extracting data from websites. One of the standout features is its ability to handle complex scraping requirements seamlessly. Scrappy can output the scraped data in various formats, catering to different needs. For example, to start a new project with Scrappy, you would use the command scrappy start project my project. To run a spider, you simply execute the spider run command. Scrappy's versatility and ease of use make it an invaluable tool for developers and data analysts alike. Let's move on to our next tool, CyberChef. This web-based utility is designed for analyzing and manipulating data. CyberChef is purpose-built to simplify tasks that involve decoding, data conversion, and a wide range of other operations such as encryption and encoding. One of the standout features is its simple drag-and-drop interface, which makes it accessible even for those who are not deeply technical. It supports numerous operations that can be chained together to process data in a pipeline, making complex transformations straightforward. To use CyberChef, you can access it online and then utilize its drag-and-drop functionality to perform various data analysis and manipulation tasks. This capability allows you to convert data types, decode encoded information, and much more, providing a highly versatile tool for anyone working with data. Let's delve into SQLmap, a powerful open-source tool designed specifically for detecting and exploiting SQL injection vulnerabilities. This tool is incredibly useful for automating the process of discovering SQL injection points within your target web applications. SQLmap boasts several key features. It automates SQL injection discovery, supports a wide range of databases, and incorporates advanced detection techniques to deliver thorough assessments. Here's a quick command example. To perform a basic SQL injection test, you can use the command bash sqlmap-uh/example.com/vuln-param-value. This command instructs SQLmap to analyze the specified URL for SQL injection vulnerabilities. Furthermore, SQLmap can be used to dump database contents once a vulnerability is found. This functionality allows you to extract and inspect the data stored within the compromised database, offering a comprehensive view of potential security issues. With SQLmap's robust capabilities, you can effectively audit your web applications for SQL injection vulnerabilities, enhancing your overall security posture. The purpose of Stryker is to serve as an effective tool for automatic web security analysis. Its key features include the ability to perform comprehensive scans and to identify common web vulnerabilities. Additionally, Stryker outputs detailed reports which provide a thorough assessment of the scanned website. To use Stryker, a basic command example for scanning a website is stryker-uh/example.com. This command will initiate a scan on the specified URL, looking for various security issues and compiling the findings into an informative report. In this slide, we are discussing Burp Suite, an integrated platform for web application security testing. Burp Suite is renowned for its comprehensive capabilities in identifying and analyzing vulnerabilities in web applications. Some key features include 1. Intercepting proxy. This allows you to intercept and modify web traffic between your browser and the target application, enabling you to identify potential weaknesses. 2. Scanner, repeater intruder. The scanner helps in automated identification of vulnerabilities. The repeater allows for modified requests to be sent repeatedly, and the intruder facilitates automated attacks on web applications. 3. Extensive extension support. Burp Suite supports a wide range of extensions, which can be used to augment its functionality, tailor it to specific needs, and integrate with other tools. For example, usage, you can configure Burp Suite as a proxy to monitor and modify web traffic. Then you can use its scanner tool to automatically identify security vulnerabilities in your web application. These features and functionalities make Burp Suite a powerful tool for those looking to perform in-depth security testing on their web applications. OWASP ZAP, also known as Z-Attack Proxy, is an open-source tool designed specifically for web application security testing. Its primary purpose is to assist in identifying and addressing security vulnerabilities in web applications. Key features of OWASP ZAP include both passive and active scanning capabilities. Passive scanning allows for the detection of vulnerabilities without interacting with the target in a disruptive manner, while active scanning takes a more aggressive approach by simulating attacks to find potential weaknesses. Additionally, OWASP ZAP supports scripting and automation, making it incredibly versatile for integrating into various testing workflows. Its detailed reporting features provide comprehensive insights into discovered vulnerabilities and their implications. For example, usage, you can start OWASP ZAP and configure it as a proxy. Once set up, run a full website scan to identify any security issues present in the web application. This helps ensure that you can detect and remediate vulnerabilities before they can be exploited by malicious actors. On this slide, we'll be discussing Nmap, which is a powerful network scanning tool used for discovering hosts and services on a network. Starting with its purpose, Nmap is designed to help network administrators and security professionals identify devices, open ports, and available services within a specified network range. Some of the key features include host discovery, which allows you to detect active devices on a network. Port scanning is another core feature that enables you to identify which ports are open on a target system. Additionally, Nmap can perform service identification to determine what software is running on those open ports. Here are a few example commands to illustrate Nmap's capabilities. To scan a network range, you can use the following command: shell nmap -sp 192.168.1.024. This command will ping all the devices in the specified network range to check which ones are active. Another useful command is for performing a version scan: shell nmap sv 192.168.1.5. This will not only identify that services are running, but also attempt to determine the service version details on the specified IP address. Nmap's flexibility and extensive feature set make it a must-have tool for anyone involved in network security and management. The Metasploit framework is a powerful tool designed for developing and executing exploits. Its extensive exploit database allows users to discover and utilize various vulnerabilities effectively. One of its standout features is automation scripts, which help streamline repetitive tasks, making the exploitation process more efficient. Additionally, the framework offers robust post-exploitation capabilities, enabling users to maintain access and gather further information from compromised systems. To get started with Metasploit, you can launch its console using the command msf console. Once the console is open, you can select and use an exploit module by executing the command use exploit Windows SMB MS70 source Eternal Blue. This particular command targets the SMB vulnerability known as Eternal Blue. Metasploit is a crucial tool for security professionals looking to test and validate the security of their systems through various exploitation techniques. In this slide, we focus on Nikto, a vital tool for assessing vulnerabilities in web servers. Nikto's primary purpose is to perform comprehensive scans that help identify potential security weaknesses. Among its key features, Nikto can detect outdated software versions and pinpoint common security issues that could be exploited. Moreover, it generates actionable reports that provide valuable insights into the vulnerabilities discovered, enabling more informed decision-making for remediation. A typical example of using NICTO involves executing a basic scan on a web server. The command for such an operation is straightforward: nicto example.com. This command initiates a scan of the specified web server, systematically checking for known vulnerabilities and misconfigurations. Let's wrap up with a summary of our key points discussed throughout the course. We've delved into essential OSINT and bug bounty tools, providing practical examples for each. Real-world scenarios were used to illustrate their usage effectively. As we conclude, it's imperative to stay updated on the capabilities of these tools and new techniques that emerge. Regular practice is crucial to maintain and improve your proficiency. Moreover, collaboration and sharing knowledge within the community will greatly enhance your learning experience. These key insights will aid you in using web vulnerability scanners like NICTO effectively as part of your broader OSINT and Bug Bounty toolkit. On this slide, we provide some valuable resources and further reading to help you deepen your understanding of OSINT and Bug Bounty tools. First, let's look at some sources for the tools we covered. Maltego. You can access more information on its official site. Recon-ng. Visit the Recon-ng GitHub page for the latest updates and repositories. SpiderFoot. Explore the SpiderFoot GitHub page for comprehensive details. Shodan. Check out the Shodan official website for its full capabilities. The Harvester GitHub page is a resource for all updates and features. OWASP ZAP. The OWASP website is the best place for detailed information about OWASP ZAP. Additionally, we recommend two excellent books. Hacking Exposed by Stuart McClure. This book provides practical insights into hacking techniques and countermeasures, an essential read for anyone interested in cybersecurity. Shrine, The Web Application Hacker's Handbook by David Studdard, a comprehensive guide to web application security, perfect for those looking to deepen their knowledge of web vulnerabilities and testing methodologies. These resources will support your continuous learning and proficiency in using these tools effectively. Thank you for reaching this point in our course. If you enjoyed the content, please leave a like. Your feedback is valuable, so feel free to comment below and share your thoughts or any questions you might have. Make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on future content. Also, share this course with your friends and colleagues who might find it useful. Your support helps us continue creating high-quality content.